Washington, they have legalized marijuana for recreational use, and she's seen this as a really, really big problem, particularly for dog owners. Really, really concerned that if these people have dogs, the dogs will be exposed to the marijuana and they could die. Unexpected consequences.
I remember my first time kissing the lips of Mary. The first date had me ready for marriage. Listening to Master P in my homie Lack. 1, 2, 3 niggas smoking weed in my homie Lack. It was 96 and I was a young nigga. Hit it, then I coughed. Man, I still had virgin lungs, nigga. Plus back then the weed was grade A, where you get so super high that you can feel it in your face. It was me, my cousin Nicky, my nigga Bookworm, and his brother D. Berry.
We used to smoke on that blueberry.
And it was dope. That was before the Kush era. Before the George Bush era.
I'm getting blaze. Day to day, that's just how I'm rollin'. She the only thing that eats my brain, that real nigga potion. Get out my way, I'm in my lane with Mary Jane, that's potent. Real killer in my J's, that's just how I'm blowin'. That's just how I'm blowin'. Real killer in my J's, that's just how I'm blowin'. She the only thing that eats my brain, real nigga potion.
Brother. Yeah, that is some good weed that your brother has. Where does he get it at? Wherever, I don't know, he won't tell me. That sucks, your brother won't tell you about it. Cause it's kinda whack. If I knew where to get this, I would get this every day.